Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Crypto Halloween. Today I want to tell you about something really cool called KSGEMS. It's a new way for people to own beautiful gemstones like diamonds, rubies using crypto. But before we dive into this project, I would like to ask you to follow our channel, like to this video, and especially comment to the video to see more of this content. So let's go now and let's check our website. So as you see, this is the website for today, KSGEMS. And KSGEMS put this gemstone on the blockchain. That means they turn a real gem into little pieces you can buy with a token. These gems are kept safe. Experts make sure they are real. They are also protected by insurance, just like how you protect your toys from being lost. So as you see here, so we have 63 gemstones, and the network it's Ethereum, and the worth of the token as you see here is $0.2, and for now the asset valuation is 45 million or more than 45 million as you see here. So let's go here as you see, and when you buy the KSGEMS token you own a small part of a gem. The gemstones are real and come with a certificate to prove it. They are kept safe by trusted people, and you can earn rewards by holding and staking your tokens. As you see here, the legacy in gemstones investment grade brilliance. There is the blue sapphire and also the yellow sapphire, the purple one, the Alexandri cat's eyes as you see here. Also you can check the orange sapphire, the paprika. So you can check all that by here, and you can click here to discover more these gems. The pinnacle of luxury investments. At the front of the luxury, they offer curated collection of investment grade gemstones including sapphire, rubies, alexandrites, and emeralds. Elevate your investment portfolio. The GEMS token represents a fractional ownership, a curated portfolio of existed gemstones, and as you see, you can experience prestige of gemstones ownerships combined with the stability and protected by growth of a diversified investment. Pioneer of new era of gemstones in tech. So the tokenized gemstones backed by blockchain technology ensure transparency, trust, and compliance with the highest regulatory standard. And the big news here that the KSGEMS token will launch at April 15 of this year, of course. That's the day you can start buying your own piece of the gem. There are more than $75 million worth of gemstones ready to go, and you can also earn money when these gemstones are sold. KSGEMS shares the money with everyone who owns the token. So the more tokens you have, the more you can earn. And what I love about that is everything is safe. Experts check every gemstone. The gemstones are insured and they are kept in safe by professionals. You don't have to worry about that. You can check also the partners of this project as you see here, the UBB1, the Echicom, Tokyo Marine, and also another partners. And you can check here the gemstones collection. Radiance every facet, the timeless allure of gemstones. So you can check here as you see the blue sapphire with all the specs, as you see the type, the color, the carat, the shape also, and also you can check the certificate from here. The same one for the three blue sapphires here, the yellow one, the purple, the alexandrite, and you can check all the gems from here to check the propriety, of course. Let's check it as you see here, and for example, if I would like to check it, view certificate, we'll go to check the certificate by here. So yes, verify reports, and as you see here, this is our certificate of this gem. You can download this by PDF, and you can check the details here combined to or compared to the details in the website. So this is fun and easy way to be part of something real. You can own your part of shiny gem and maybe even earn more money also. You can check the Telegram or the X from here. As you see, you will go to the X of this project. It's verified, of course, with all the updates as you see here, 5 hours yesterday. So all the updates you will find it in this account. I will give you all the details in the bio, of course. Also you can check the Instagram by clicking. Also you can check the Telegram by clicking here. So as you see, this is the group of KSGEMS with more than 10,000 members, and as you see, you can check any question here if you have it, or you want any answers that you will need it, you will find it here in the Telegram group. So thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to put like to this video if you like it. Comment if you have any question, follow to our channel to create more videos, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.